Do you ever notice that your thoughts get louder at night? During the day, you stay busy, but at night, your mind starts replaying everything. Small moments, old conversations, things you thought you were done with. This feels familiar. Nighttime overthinking is very common. When the world becomes quiet, your mind finally gets space to speak. Not because something is wrong with you, but because you stop distracting yourself. Your brain is designed to process emotions. When there are fewer interruptions, at night, there are no messages, no noise, no tasks, so unfinished thoughts come forward, not to hurt you, but to be understood. Overthinking at night doesn't mean you are weak. It often means you care deeply, you reflect, you are aware. Many thoughtful people experience this. You are not alone in this feeling. You don't need to solve everything tonight. Some thoughts are not asking for answers. They are asking for rest. This video is created for educational and awareness purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional mental health support. If this helped you feel a little calmer, take a deep breath. You're doing better than you think. For more calm and non-judgmental explanations, you may consider subscribing. Thank you for listening.